We're going to get wet for sure. Oh no, get up, get up, get up. Jeez, did you see how it comes over there? We better get back because we're going to get wet.
Walk up the stairs and round. I reckon we should go up. Are you videoing or?
Yeah, I am. Go just forward. It's crazy.
I should have brought my proper video.
It's really, yeah, we'll come down tomorrow night.
It's still like this.
Yeah, you might be a bit late, hey?
Come down during the day.
Yeah, I will.
Danny, should we walk up the stairs and that way back rather than along? You don't want to get your boots all wet, but you think you'll be okay?
No, I think we'll be okay.